vlog. We are at the Duomo this morning. Liz and I and Jean, we don't know where she's at currently, are going to climb the bell tower and the dome. It's kind of gross outside to be doing it today, but we're doing it anyways.
We already paid for it, so we have to.
It's really cold out today, but look how beautiful. I'm really gonna miss Mr. Duomo here. He's a little crippled. Fun fact, that part isn't real. It's so pretty. Here is the Christmas tree that goes up, well, it's up now, but it gets lit tomorrow. Morgan and I are gonna go watch that. Okay, whoever spots Jean first wins. Oh, I see her. I win. Damn it. Winner. We were playing a game of who had to spot you first and I won. All right, we made it in. It's kind of scary looking. Look at how there. Here's my workout for the day.
I was thinking that too.
Excuse me. Still going. We're still going.
I think that maybe like 127.
This is worse than your house stairs. Down there. Whoa. The 6 Saints.
I really thought there was only 5.
The restoration of 6 Saints in the Northwest Tribune and the condition retired to. My God, I'm out of breath. There's more stairs. I love all the little windows. Oh, this one goes in a circle. I love these kind of stairs. Oh, look at it! Ah!
It does get really tight. I'm starting to like, I'm just taking off my jacket.
So pretty. Oh, whoa, that was so confusing. I was like, whoa. Look at it. Shh. 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 We're stuck in the tube. And up again. This is so steep. Oh my gosh. This is probably the steepest one we've done so far. Yeah. Wow! Look at it, it's so cool. We did it. Look, we live over there. Get out of people's pictures, Liz. I'm just trying to be cute and stuff. We know you miss Ben, you don't have to jump in.
How does one small human have such like a big, giant, heavy bag? Jordan's crazy. Welcome to her vlogs.
This way, so that like it's more. Yeah.
So Jordan decided to be extreme and hang off the edge of the gate for the dome.
We do want more. Oh, so it's kind of gross.
Just to get a selfie.
Get less of the sky.
I think we've been here for like 10 minutes now.
More of, like, everything else.
And I think it's like 50 photos per minute. So, you know, that's like 500 photos. What happened? Oh, Jordan fell.
That's a really ugly photo, so she just said to me.
Oh my God.
No, my face.
Oh, yeah. So this is how Jordan wants to go. She wants to stay in Florence so much that she's gonna fly off the edge of the dome. Alright. Got it.
Oh my God. Oh. Alright, we're now climbing the bell tower. Because before this, I think we said we were climbing the bell tower, but we were climbing like the dome of the Duomo. And now we're climbing the bell tower. I really need to find how many steps are in this whole process. Because I feel like I just did like a full-blown workout. How you doing, Liz? We made it halfway. So that's what we just climbed. And we were like, we're at the very top. Like, see the tippy top right there? We were up there. Whew, we got this, girls. Got this. How you doing? How you doing? It's okay. Alright, I don't know, I still don't know how many steps that was. But we made it to the top of the bell tower. It's so pretty. It's kind of weird. It's like in this little cage. Oh my god. I'm so depressed. My heart is beating so fast. No, so many stairs and it's kind of scary because there's like the corridors where the this like where the staircase is. It's like really narrow. And it's one way up and one way down. And everyone was running into each other. But we did it. We are up here. So beautiful. So beautiful. Even in the rain, Florence is gorgeous. Next stop, class. Next stop, bakery. Food. And then we'll go to class. Today's gonna be a really hard day for me because I have a presentation due today that I'm just not confident in, and it's in the class that I like the least. The professor's great, but I just am really poor in the class, and what are you gonna do? And then I have travel writing tonight, and then guys, I would have completed my last finals week. Well, finals, as in projects week. As an undergrad. Go Jordan! I'm on top of the world. I'm on top of the world.
Except Florence isn't in that valley, so technically like we're still really low.